Have you ever wondered about the remarkable advantages of a plant-based diet? It's a dietary choice that has been gaining momentum, and for good reason. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we will uncover the compelling benefits of adopting a plant-based diet, exploring how it can positively impact your health, the environment, and even your taste buds. 1. Improved health. One of the most compelling reasons to embrace a plant-based diet is its positive impact on your health. It can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Plant-based diets are typically low in saturated fats and high in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, promoting overall well-being. 2. Weight management. Plant-based diets are often associated with healthier body weights. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes are naturally lower in calories and can make it easier to manage your weight. They provide essential nutrients without excessive calories. 3. Heart health. A plant-based diet is heart healthy. By reducing or eliminating animal products, you can lower your intake of saturated fats and cholesterol. This can lead to reduced blood pressure and improved cholesterol levels, which are crucial for cardiovascular health. 4. Digestive health. The fiber-rich nature of plant-based foods can improve digestive health. It aids in regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and supports a diverse and healthy gut microbiome, which has numerous benefits for the body. 5. Environmental impact. A plant-based diet is also kind to the environment. It has a lower carbon footprint, as it requires fewer natural resources like water and land compared to animal agriculture. By choosing plant-based foods, you contribute to the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions and environmental degradation. 6. Animal welfare. For those who are ethically conscious, plant-based diets align with the principles of animal welfare. By reducing or eliminating the consumption of animal products, you can contribute to the reduction of animal suffering in the food industry. 7. Diverse and delicious. Contrary to popular belief, plant-based diets are incredibly diverse and delicious. You can savor a wide range of flavors, textures, and cuisines. From colorful salads to hearty veggie burgers and plant-based curries, the options are endless. 8. Longevity and well-being. Plant-based diets are associated with increased longevity and overall well-being. The abundance of nutrients in plant-based foods nourishes your body, while the reduced intake of processed and unhealthy foods supports a healthier lifestyle. Embracing a plant-based diet is a significant step toward a healthier you and a healthier planet. Its benefits extend from your individual well-being to the broader ecological impact. By adopting a plant-based lifestyle, you not only improve your health but also contribute to a more sustainable and compassionate world. The advantages of this dietary choice are not only remarkable but also achievable, making it a compelling option for those seeking a balanced and meaningful way of life. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.